Welcome to SkillStep AI. We are an AI automation agency specializing in training, consulting, and developing AI-driven solutions that make advanced technology accessible for SMEs. Our mission is simple: to help small and medium-sized businesses work smarter, save time, and unlock new opportunities with practical, easy-to-use AI tools. In this short preview, we'll show you how GPT-5 can boost productivity and efficiency across your business. Now let's look into why AI is important for businesses of all sizes and how it can support you with a competitive edge. Small and medium-sized enterprises today face constant time pressure, limited resources, and rising customer expectations. The good news? AI is now ready to help level the playing field. Modern AI tools are practical, affordable, and designed for non-technical users. Instead of replacing people, they act as powerful assistants, helping your team do more with less. GPT-5 is the most advanced AI language model available today. It supports human-like understanding of context and natural language and acts based on prompt-driven interaction. It can generate professional content, analyze complex data, assist with coding, and even support multiple languages, all through simple, plain language prompts. Now let us look into how we can actually use GPT-5 and its features. The key to success is knowing how to ask. We teach a simple structure: role, task, context, and style, combined with variations of the so-called thinking mode. So you can turn vague requests into high-quality outputs that truly fit your business needs and target audiences. In our training modules, we also look into actual real-world use cases. For example, GPT-5 can instantly create ad copies, blog outlines, and localized campaigns. In customer service, it can draft replies, build FAQs, and speed up response times, saving hours every week, delivering higher quality, consistent messages, and targeting multiple channels at the same time with tailored solutions. Of course, AI isn't perfect. That's why we emphasize responsible use, with human oversight, data privacy, and fairness always in mind. In our trainings and also consulting approach, we always include ways of how to integrate AI into your processes and workplace in an ethical way by establishing AI policies. In summary, on average, businesses report saving 5 to 9 hours per employee each week with proper AI implementation. At SkillStep AI, we help you unlock that potential by co-developing your AI roadmap towards better capabilities and tailored tools. We thank you for listening to this short preview of our basic training module and hope it piqued your interest to bring AI capabilities into your workplace. Visit skillstepii.asia to learn more. Join our next workshop and get in touch directly for tailored solutions for your business.